Imagine you're a user of cryptocurrency and you want to transfer some of your assets from one blockchain network to another. For example, you might want to transfer some Ether from the Ethereum network to the Binance Smart Chain. Currently, this process can be time consuming and expensive, as you would need to use a cryptocurrency exchange to make the transfer, which would involve high fees and potentially long wait times for confirmation. That may sound really technical to you, but by the end of this video, I promise you'll know exactly what it means. Welcome to Crypto Chalkboard, the #1 YouTube channel for crypto education. Here we explain topics on the cryptocurrency world using analogies, stories, and examples so that anybody can understand. In this video, we're going to be talking about what PulseChain means, how it works, benefits of PulseChain, and when it can be released. So, jumping right in, what is PulseChain? PulseChain is a new blockchain network that aims to solve some of the existing challenges with other blockchain networks like Ethereum. It's developed by Richard Hart, the founder of Hex, and it's built on top of the Ethereum network. PulseChain is a community-driven network that aims to provide faster, cheaper, and more efficient transactions through other blockchain networks. Ethereum gas fees can spike dramatically during periods of network congestion. When this occurs, transactions take longer to finalize, and the entire network slows down. PulseChain solves this by enhancing Ethereum's speed and efficiency. Ethereum has a block time of 15 seconds. However, PulseChain has a block time of 3 seconds, making it much faster and more scalable. Furthermore, PulseChain uses a fork of the Binance Smart Chain, proof-of-stake consensus mechanism Parla. However, the project has since moved toward a new proof-of-stake authority consensus mechanism, which introduces native validator staking, rotation, and reward-slashing contracts. How does PulseChain work? PulseChain works by leveraging the existing infrastructure of the Ethereum network. PulseChain is a fork of the Ethereum network, meaning that it'll have many of the same features and capabilities as Ethereum, but with some added improvements. One of the key features of PulseChain is its ability to interoperate with other blockchain networks. This means that users can easily transfer assets and tokens between different blockchain networks without having to go through multiple exchanges or pay high fees. PulseChain aims to provide faster and more efficient transactions, which will make it an attractive option for users who want to avoid the high fees and long wait times associated with other blockchain networks. Another important feature of PulseChain is its focus on decentralization and community governance. PulseChain aims to be a fully decentralized network, with governance decisions made by the community of users and stakeholders. This means that anyone can propose changes or improvements to the network, and these proposals are voted on by the community. This gives users more control over the network and ensures that the network evolves according to the needs and desires of its users. What does PulseChain aim to achieve? PulseChain aims to increase the value of the Ethereum network by sharing some of the network load and lowering gas fees. Also, the project aims to enrich existing Ethereum users and ETH holders by rewarding them with PLS token via the highly anticipated PulseChain airdrop. Moreover, PulseChain aims to lower the barrier to entry for Web3 by allowing users to transact for free using the freemium PLS token system. In addition, PulseChain seeks to improve on the game theoretic dynamics of existing blockchain networks using a 0% inflation model for PLS token. Moreover, because PulseChain is a full-estate Ethereum fork, it doesn't start life as an empty blockchain. All token balances and smart contract data will be ready to go on the new Ethereum fork as soon as it launches. Benefits of PulseChain. So, what are the benefits of using PulseChain? There are several advantages that PulseChain offers compared to other blockchain networks. Faster and cheaper transactions. As we mentioned earlier, PulseChain aims to offer faster and more efficient transactions than other blockchain networks. This means that users can transfer assets and tokens more quickly and at a lower cost, which will make it easier and more affordable to use blockchain technology. Interoperability with other blockchain networks. Another key benefit of PulseChain is its ability to interoperate with other blockchain networks. This means that users can easily transfer assets and tokens between different blockchain networks without having to go through multiple exchanges or pay high fees. This makes it easier and more convenient for users to access different blockchain networks and take advantage of their unique features and capabilities. Decentralized governance. PulseChain is designed to be a fully decentralized network, with governance decisions made by the community of users and stakeholders. This means anyone can propose changes or improvements to the network, and these proposals are voted on by the community. This gives users more control over the network and ensures that the network evolves according to the needs and desires of its users. Increased security. PulseChain aims to be a more secure network than other blockchain networks, with features like improved smart contract security and a more secure consensus mechanism. This will help to prevent hacks and other security breaches, which will make the network safer and more reliable for users. In conclusion, the PulseChain network is the first full-state hard fork of the Ethereum blockchain. It aims to support the Ethereum network and all decentralized applications built on Ethereum by lowering the strain on the network and reducing gas fees. Reducing gas fees and minimizing congestion helps Ethereum to scale without friction. By stabilizing gas fees throughout the Web3 ecosystem, PulseChain aims to promote the mass adoption of blockchain technology and smart contracts. The PulseChain launch date has not yet been set. Hex founder Richard Hart has hinted to the Web3 community about the project's launch date. However, it remains to be seen when the project will enter the market. In addition, smart contract developers can easily migrate or restart Ethereum dApps on PulseChain. As a faster and cheaper alternative to the leading smart contract blockchain, PulseChain is helping to foster innovation and collaboration on Web3, while complementing the existing architecture and community of the Ethereum network. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let us know and we'll do our best to make it happen. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.